how to change small letters to capital letters in Excel. So what you're gonna have to do is simply type in equal, then upper, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on this, and then as you can see, we're gonna have this open bracket. Now the next step is to simply choose the cell. So we're gonna have to select this one here, and then simply close the bracket, and then simply press on the enter key, and as you can see, now it changed. So basically, if you want to do the same thing for others and you don't want to type in the exact same formula, again, you're gonna have to simply select this and then simply do this, and that's all you have to do. As you can see, now basically we just done the same thing for the other text without typing in again the formula. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.